Welcome to Reading is Best channel. In this video, I am going to talk about humanistic perspective. Humanistic perspective suggests that all individuals naturally strive to grow, develop, and be in control of their lives and behavior. This perspective is based on a positive view of humanity as basically healthy and capable of growing and realizing its potential. According to Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, people strive to reach their full potential if they are given the opportunity. And contrary to other perspectives, humanistic perspective rejects the view that behavior is determined largely by biological forces, unconscious processes, or the environment. Rather, humanistic perspective emphasizes free will and the ability to freely make decisions about one's own behavior and life. This perspective stresses the role of psychology in enriching people's lives and helping them achieve self-fulfillment. These are the basic idea of humanistic perspective. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, then you can click the like button, and if you have any kind of queries or suggestion, you can comment in the comment box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.